This Windows 11 update is still failing on thousands of PCs, and the exact reason behind it has remained elusive until now. If your update stalls at around 35% and then displays the message, "Something didn't go according to plan, undoing changes," accompanied by error code 0x800F0922, Microsoft has now officially confirmed the underlying cause. But here's the strange part. The update proceeds normally during the initial download phase. The actual problem arises during the restart phase, and it is linked to a complex system partition that even the experts might never have heard of. Microsoft has now released several workarounds for this issue, including a quick fix that takes just a few seconds to implement. So, in this video I will show you why this update is failing, how to fix error 0x800F0922, and a hidden secure boot change that Microsoft quietly slipped into this very update. So let's dive right in. Hello friends, and welcome back to TechGetter Official. If you enjoy content regarding Windows 11 updates, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Now, let's talk about this specific issue. Microsoft recently confirmed a new feature, or rather, a known issue, within Windows 11 25H2 build 26200.8457. Also known as KB5089549. Microsoft states that the update cannot be installed on certain systems due to insufficient free space within the EFI System Partition. Specifically, if this partition has approximately 10 megabytes or less of free space available, the update process will fail during the restart phase. However, the actual problem arises later, specifically during the update of the boot store. Microsoft has recently outlined a workaround to address this issue. Before proceeding with any steps, it is strongly recommended that you first create a backup of your system registry. To do this, open the registry editor, click on File, select Export, and save the backup to a secure location. Afterward, open the command prompt with administrator privileges. Microsoft provides a specific command designed to modify the ESP padding percentage setting, thereby allowing the Windows update process to complete successfully. Once the command has finished executing, restart your PC and attempt to download the update again. For many users, this solution should completely resolve the issue. Microsoft is also utilizing a feature known as Known Issue Rollback. This mechanism allows Microsoft to mitigate the negative impact of a faulty update on affected systems. According to Microsoft, simply restarting your PC can expedite the application of this fix. Therefore, if you haven't restarted your computer recently, be sure to do so before attempting to resume the update process. Along with this update, Microsoft has also quietly added a new Secure Boot directory within the Windows system folders. So, if you navigate to Local Disk C Windows, you may now observe a new Secure Boot folder listed there. This Secure Boot directory is intended to house certificates and facilitate future Windows update improvements. So, if your Windows 11 25H2 update keeps failing with the 0x800F0922 error, it suggests that this issue is linked to insufficient EFI partition space, rather than poor Windows quality or a system malfunction. The good news is that Microsoft has officially acknowledged this issue, and a solution is already available. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows 11 fixes and updates on TechGetter Official. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.